Hi, Ron from Clarity. Today we're going to go into Payment Portal and learn how to manage your invoices. So first off, we're going to sign in as a customer. Logging in as Aaron Fitz, you can see in the top right, it welcomes me and lets me know that I'm in. And it loads up automatically any invoices that have come out of the ERP through the integration, both past and present. The filtering allows me to search for an invoice by invoice number. I could also enter a date range, so I'm going to go in and load up all invoices last year, Q4. And there's all the invoices from last year in Q4. You've probably noticed that the recycle icon, I can hit that and that clears all filters and reloads all the invoices. And then the final filter allows me to pick any invoice of any type. Now the nice thing about this is if I select unpaid and filter, it'll filter all my unpaid invoices. Or if I went to partially paid and filtered, there's only 2. So now if I go to pay multiple invoices, you can see it's only listed 2 because the invoice list is from the filtered list. If I cancel that, reset my filter, and now say pay invoices, you can see it found 56 invoices, where then this allows me to select and pick and choose which invoices I want to pay, all, a few, or partially pay invoices. So manage your invoices using the filters and using the pay invoices in conjunction with the filters to be able to take care of all your invoices. Thanks for watching.